trying to go on through so that we can go on to the main part. So 6 ways a SIEM can help you stop threat. A SIEM will definitely help you detect compromised user credentials. So if you are very skilled with using a SIEM, you will know when user credentials are compromised. You understand? Also check for anomalous privilege escalation, command and control communication, like I explained earlier, data exfiltration also. For example, insertion of USB drive, using your personal email, to carry out office work or to send sensitive data. These events can definitely be stored in your SIEM, right? Then we have rapid encryption and lateral movement. So these are 6 ways, one of the 6 ways. There are more, of course. So I think at this point, before I move on to the Splunk Enterprise, is there any question so that I can move on to this?